Take a closer look. The nature wants to hear from you. The nature wants to tell us some of its own interesting stories. The nature wants us to be friends. Take a closer look. Nature generates a multitude of positive emotions. It develops calmness, joy, creativity, and concentration in you. It lowers your blood pressure and balances hormone levels. It reduces your nervous system hyperarousal and enhances immune system functions. It increases your self esteem and reduces anxiety. It is an antidote to your stress. It contributes to your physical as well as emotional well being. Take a deeper look, then you will realize when connected with nature, you're happier in life and feeling more worthwhile. Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better. Take a deeper look and you will realize it's high time to protect our loving and caring Mother Nature. It's high time to return to the lap of Mother Nature. It's really high time to be aware of our actions. Let's not threat the nature and take a step towards preservation. It's high time to focus on the relationship, to focus on the beautiful relationship between man and nature. Today, let's thank the earth and create an eternal bond with nature, an eternal bond with man and nature.